Yo, what is going on? This is non-farm payroll. We're going to do this quick. We got 1 minute before the announcement. So like I said, all buyers liquidity is at this 1.35550 key zone, right? If we pump up, we're going to take a short there. If we drop first down to this level, we're going to take a buy. So we're going to wait for that announcement. Once that happens, next 2 minutes. So right here, we're looking for a buy, here, or here we're looking for the sell. Let's go. I got $1,000 in one account all locked in. We're gonna take the trade from my phone because I can't fucking figure this shit out right now. But let's get it. Looks like we're gonna take the short. Ready? Now. Let's go. See, we're in the position right now. Took the short right there. Alright, let's get it, boy. Let's get it, boy. Let's get it, boy. Let's get it, boy. We doing this shit live, baby. Let's go. Let's go. 10 pips. 10 pips. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Look at this shit, boy. 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 We'll take it. We're out. Alright, that's how you do it. Non-farm payroll again, boy. Let's go. Sheesh. We're going to pause this. We're going to see what we could get for the rest of the day. We're not done. So we'll be back when, data presents itself. Let's go. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. We 3 for 3 on this crap, motherfucker. 3 for 3. I'm smoking a joint, bro. Fuck out of here. Fuck out of here. Stop playing with me. Just stop playing with me, bro. Alright, guys. Like I said, we'll be back when we have more price action. Sheesh. That was too easy. Alright, guys. To be honest with you, if I do make a live call today, because it's not farm payroll, I'm going to do it in a separate video. So I'm going to end this video right now, and we'll come back to see if we get a second video out of the day. Let's go. Sheesh.